Hello everybody. Today I'm reviewing this knife from Civivi. It's called Imperium. It's a discontinued knife, but I have it in my collection, so I decided to make a video about it. Before I start, a quick wrist check. Today I'm wearing my Citizen NB1050 on a aftermarket bracelet which I bought from Uncle Straps, and I think it looks much better on this bracelet because it has female end links, and it doesn't look big like on the original bracelet. On original bracelet it wears much larger than it is because of the male end links, and now I think it wears like a true 38mm watch. You can check my review on this watch if you want. As usual, let's start with specs and dimensions. The blade is 3.5 inches or 8.8 centimeters long. The closed position length is 4.4 inches or 11.1 centimeters. The overall length when it's open is 7.8 inches or 19.9 centimeters, and it weighs around 3 ounces or 84 grams. The scales are made of resin, carbon fiber, and some golden shred of something. It has a deep carry pocket clip. The blade is stone washed and made of nitrophy steel, and it has a liner lock. So what I like about it, I like the interesting look of the scales, something unusual and beautiful in my opinion. I like the overall design of the knife. It looks cool. It has long blade, but because of the slim design it doesn't feel big. Not that long in a closed position as well. Let me compare it to my Ontario Red 2. So in a closed position it's maybe a quarter of an inch longer than the Ontario knife, but the blade is more than quarter of an inch longer, maybe like, I don't know, half an inch longer. So we get so much more blade in a slightly longer knife, and I like it. I also like the deep carry pocket clip. I like how light it is for its size. It's just 1 or 2 grams heavier than the Red 2. I like the overall design and shape of the knife in an open position as well. It's quite long, so you can cut through vegetables very comfortably if you need to. So you can use it as a food prep knife. What I don't like about it, the action when opening the knife is not that good. For some reason it's hard to open in most of the times by using the thumb studs, and I don't know why, it just stuck and very hard to open it. So I usually use the front flipper tab, or whatever it's called, this. I don't know why, and I don't know how to fix it. The other thing is the jimping. The one that's here, I think it's more of a front flipper jimping to you to open it, but not the one you use when you hold or when you use the knife, because in my opinion it should be somewhere here in order to be able to use it like this. So for me, there is no jimping on this knife. The cut access to the liner lock is a little not that deep. Could have been a little deeper in my opinion. And the last thing I'd like to mention is that the pocket clip has only one position. You cannot move it anywhere on the knife or even on the other side. For me it's not a problem because I am a right-handed and I carry my knives with the tip up. But for some people it might be a problem. I also wish there was a different steel available for this knife. This is too soft for my use. Let me show you a closer look of this knife. So these are the scales. Steel liners, scales on the other side, the pocket clip, so this is how it looks when it's open. Show you the blade, the stone washed blade. There's a Nitro V sign here. So, in conclusion, it's a cool knife with a good design and style, but I wouldn't buy it again because of the poor action I have on my model. I don't know, maybe it's just mine. And also because it only has a Nitro V steel, not for me. But if you don't mind this steel, and maybe not all of them have the bad opening action, then it might be a very good knife for you. But I don't know if you can find it today, because it's discontinued. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. This helps me to make new videos and buy more stuff to review. Thank you for watching. Until next time.